We have a lot of models in our showroom today. The Regal by J.A. Roby, the Gulliver, the Marmiton by J.A. Roby, the Elmira Fireview with the optional gas burner. This is a Magnum. This is a Lenordica Rosa Reverse Sinistra with the left hand flue up there. This is going to be the Millie Cookstove. Behind it, another J.A. Roby. That's the chief model. We got the Rizzoli ML80. Raisin by Firebelly. Stacked, we got the little Lenordica back here, the Rosetta. Oh yeah, and over here, another Rizzoli S90 in the stainless steel. This is the Drolle Deco 2 wood stove. Hiko 520. And another Rizzoli L90. And then our Drolle Heat Commander forced air furnace. So you can see, right now our showroom is pretty stacked. Our shop is stacked with stoves too. So depending on the time of the year, our inventory can change. But if you're in the area or stopping through Montana, do make an appointment, as sometimes these burned models or denser scratches may have discounts. We don't generally stock from here, only what's on the floor. So for a USA built stove or an Amish built stove, the only one on my floor right now is going to be this Hiko 520. This is the big boy, kind of granddaddy, one of the largest cook stoves we offer. This along with the J.A. Roby Cuisinier. So this is kind of Mac Daddy cook stove right here. Really nicely done by the Amish. The Hiko line is built by DS. They have top of the line equipment, plasma cutters. So yeah, everything's gonna be top notch here. Located to the side, here is going to be the Rizzoli. This is an L90 featured in soapstone. This is going to be an import from Italy. So, I mean, you can see just side by side the difference, how decorative this model is with the rivets. This is definitely a lot more traditional, but you'll notice this model here is also a Rizzoli. This is the S90. This is going to be available with much more contemporary finish, as you can see, shown in the all stainless steel. Up close with Kitty, we do have the J.A. Roby Chief. This is going to be from our friends in North America. In Canada, the Great North produced the J.A. Roby. Also from Canada is going to be the Elmira stove mentioned here. She sure is a beauty, antique style. They don't really have many other products on the market with this type of styling these days, since Heartland has been discontinued. However, the Elmira holds it strong. They have a nice big firebox, which can be loaded from the top, even though the front door looks pretty tiny. This gasket doesn't come with the cooktop. You can't really see that. I added this gasket to the stove, and by doing that, I'm actually able to get close to like a 12-hour burn in this big daddy. So, also it's featured, apologize, my notes everywhere, with a propane gas burner. This is unique. This is pretty much the only product like that with a built-in gas burner available on the market. Here we have the J.A. Roby Marmiton along with the J.A. Roby Regal. And these two are going to be from our friends in North America as well, up in Canada. For imports up close, this is the first guy I mentioned with the Rizzoli. We showed you two other Rizzoli models from Italy. This is going to be the Gulliver, located from Serbia. The other model we have in the showroom today is going to be the Gulliver, which is also from Serbia. And these are going to be just the two featured in my showroom. I do have the North Cookstove from Serbia as well. Next to our beautiful Gulliver with the warming oven, we have the Lenordica Millie. The Millie comes all the way from Italy. So we've got Serbia, Italy, Canada, 3 Canadas in a row. And then we can't forget our buddies in England here. This is the Firebelly Raisin, imported from England. This is a very classic, contemporary looking stove. There is the fire door blocker installed in the firebox side of the door right now. Otherwise, with that removed, you can see the glass straight through to the firebox. This is going to be a stainless steel cook stove, again from England. Here we have featured our Canadian imports here. This is the Marmiton and the Regal. This Regal is so cute though, right? This is like a half cook stove, a halfer. Got the top warming oven, but no actual baking oven. I actually baked cupcakes in that warming oven, and it was pretty bomb. So we do have a variety of models on our floor right now that we have in stock. And yeah, if you're interested, come and check us out at our showroom. We do require an appointment 24 hours in advance.